Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to combine the data of different sheets into one sheet. It means from different sheet in the same workbook, or we can combine the data of different files, different workbooks into one workbook, into one worksheets. We will use the consolidate option, the consolidate feature of MS Excel. What the consolidate do? Okay, the consolidate, it means that to combine the data from different sheets, different ranges into one, and to perform these functions on that. It means that to combine the data through these functions, sum function, average, count, max, min, product, these function we can apply on that data. It means that whenever you would like to combine the data should be the same data. Okay, you want to combine that through the functions, like you can perform sum, count, average, mix, min, product, count number, steve, and these other functions that you can apply and using consolidate feature. So we have this data. For example, in city 1 we have these three products and we have the sale for everyone. Okay, in every quarter we have this much sale. In city 2 we have just coffee and tea, but in the city first we had coffee, tea and milk, but we don't have milk here. In city 3 again we have milk and tea, coffee, three of them, but we don't have the quarter 4 here. Okay, but the data, the structure is same. So now let's use the consolidate to find the sum of all this data. For example, these quarters with these quarters and with this quarter. So it will find the count of copy in every quarter separately for us. So let's do it. I will show to you right now. Click here and let's move to the data tab. In the data tab, click here on the consolidate option. After clicking the consolidate option, in the reference we will select our data. Come here to the city 1 and select your data. After selecting your data, press add button to add it. After that, come here to the city 2 and select your data and press add. Come here now to the third city and select your data. Here we have different column names also. For quarter 2, then quarter 1, then quarter 3. Also we don't have the quarter 4. So keep in mind, later I will show to you. And press add. Now if you would like to show and the result, the top row, it means the header. So press this. If you want to show the left columns, press this one. If you want to create links to source data, it means that whenever, if you want to just link this result sheet with the source links with these sheets, city 1, city 2, city 3, so also check this one. It will also help us whenever we change our data in these sheets, so it will also change our result sheet also. Now let's press OK. So after pressing OK, we faced with this sheet. This is the result. Okay, let's maximize it, bring it like here. Okay, so now let's press this plus sign. This is the reason of linking with other sheets, so it will show here. Now let's press this. So here in this consolidation file, okay, this consolidate means the consolidate file that we have. In consolidate file we have first of all quarter 1 2001-28. Let's move to the city 1 2001-28, and the second sheet it has 2128 again, 2128 again in city 2. But in third sheet we have 348 for quarter 1. Okay, for quarter 1. So let's come to city 3. In quarter 1 we have 3486. So we have the result, the sum of that 7742. So that is how we can see. But for the third file, the last quarter 4 we don't have. See, that is empty. And also for tea and also for milk. For milk we have just 2. Okay, just milk we have just in city 2, in city in city 3 and city 1. We don't have milk in city 2, so we have just here 2 files in from 2 sheets, city 3 and city 1. So it's how we can display the sum of all the data from different sheets. You can apply average, count, max, min, and other functions also. But if you don't want to apply, let's first of all I will show you the changing. We have linked these cells. Okay, let's come here to the city 2. I would like to change the quarter 1 to 3000. Okay, before the result was 7742. Now let's change it to 3. Now we will have 8000. See, 8000. But if you don't want to apply linking, come here to the consolidate option and just remove this create links to source data. Okay, so we have now this data. If we make changes now, For example, this 3 I would like to change quarter 2. Quarter 1 again I want to change that. Okay, which was 8,000, I would like to change it to 2. Press OK. So that has changed to 7,000, but it didn't. It is the reason of that. And we don't have also this option for this data. If you want to don't show these or these, also uncheck the top header and the left side column also. So it is how we can use. You can combine data from different files also. Okay, but I have used in the same file. So I hope you learned about the consolidate option in MS Excel and you learned this. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.